Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going on a fun adventure with numbers. We're going to learn how to count all the way from 1 to 30. It sounds like a lot, but I promise we'll make it super simple and enjoyable. Whether you're learning for the first time or just want a quick refresher, you've come to the right place. So, are you ready? Let's get started. We'll begin with the very first number. This is 1, like one sun in the sky. After 1 comes 2. Like 2 hands to wave hello. Then comes 3. Imagine 3 delicious cookies on a plate. Let's say them together. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Next up, we have 4. Like 4 legs on a table. After 4 is 5. Count the fingers on one hand. That's 5. And then we have 6. A carton of eggs often has 6. So that's 4, 5, 6. You're doing amazing. Let's keep going. After 6, we find 7. There are 7 days in a week. Then comes 8. An octopus has 8 arms. And right after that is 9. Like 9 players on a baseball team. So we have 7, 8, 9. And what comes after 9? It's a big one. It's 10. You have 10 fingers and 10 toes. Let's quickly recap what we've learned so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fantastic. Now we're moving into the teens, and this is where a cool pattern starts. After 10 comes 11, then 12. These two are a little special, but after 12, things get easier. Next is 13. See how it has teen at the end. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. They all end with that teen sound, which helps us remember them. Let's say the teens together, starting from 11. Ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Perfect. You've just mastered the teens. And what comes after 19? We get another round number, 20. 20. 20, we're in the home stretch now. The 20s are super easy because they follow a simple pattern. After 20, we just add the numbers from 1 to 9 again. So after 20 comes 21. Then 22, see the pattern. Next is 23, 24. Let's pause and say those together. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You got it. Let's finish this. After 25, we have 26, then 27, 28, 29. We're almost there. What do you think comes after 29? It's the grand finale for today. 30. 30, 30. Wow, you did it. You counted all the way from 1 to 30. That is absolutely incredible. Let's do one final big countdown from 1 all the way to 30, just to lock it in. Join me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Give yourself a huge round of applause. Learning to count is a big step, and you've done a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel as easy as breathing. Thanks so much for counting along with me. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more learning adventures. See you next time. Bye.